Hi, my name is Olivia and today we're cooking something very special. We're cooking a luxurious New Year's filet and foie gras steak with creamy mushrooms. A very fast recipe to prepare if you're celebrating New Year's at home this year, either entertaining or having a special date night. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep ingredients. Remove the steaks and the foie gras from the fridge 20 minutes prior to frying. This will allow them to reach room temperature. Pat the steaks dry with kitchen paper, set aside. Tear the mushrooms into pieces. Wash and trim the green beans. Step 2. Make potato puree. Peel and chop the potatoes. Add them to a pan of boiled water. Cook the potatoes for 20 minutes or until soft. Once soft, drain. Press the potatoes through a sieve into a pan. Add the butter and the appropriate amount of the cooking cream. Adjust the amount to your liking. Grate the Parmesan into the pan. Mix until smooth and season with salt to taste. Step 3. Make the mushroom sauce. Meanwhile, heat a pan over a high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, fry the mushrooms for 7 to 8 minutes until browned and starting to crisp. Add a splash of water and the appropriate amount of cooking cream. Bring to boil and remove from the heat. Season with salt and pepper, set aside. Step 4. Boil green beans. Cook the green beans in a pot of salted boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes or until tender. Drain once cooked. Keep covered and warm. Step 5. Cook the steaks. Heat a second pan with a drizzle of olive oil and the butter over high heat. Once hot, brown the steaks on both sides for 1 to 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Transfer the steaks to the mushroom sauce and cook for 5 minutes further or until cooked to your liking. Flip halfway through. Add a splash of water or cream to the sauce if it's looking too dry. Step 6. Fry the foie gras and serve. Return the second pan to medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Once hot, add the foie gras slices and fry for 1 minute on each side until browned but soft in the middle. Season generously with salt. So that's it, 30 minutes and a feast on the table of this caliber. I hope you really enjoy it. I hope you enjoy your New Year's celebrations. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for new recipes in 2020. Happy New Year!